Hi all, today we're going to be talking about how to use the directory on Bonner Connect. This is a great resource to find alumni and to reach out to folks. So firstly, we're going to click on the directory tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Afterward, you'll be able to see there's a lot going on in the directory, but these tabs here on the right side are going to be what guides us through this tutorial today. Firstly, underneath the Filter By tab, you can filter people by their name, their university affiliation, and their geographic location. Next, you can find people by their openness to getting involved. If you are looking for someone to help you, click the Offering Help option and select what you're looking for. This works the same way for someone looking to give help. Just click the Seeking Help button and follow these steps. Next, by clicking on the Building Relationships tab, you'll find folks who are interested in mentoring, giving advice, or job shadowing. By going to the Bonner Foundation tab, you can filter people by their school, major, degree, and graduation year at their Bonner institution. The Work Experience tab can help you make professional connections because you can search for someone based on their company, industry, and their job function. Lastly, you can search people by their other education, one they may have received at a non-Bonner affiliated institution. After you search someone based off of one of these factors, you can reach out to them and find their information. You should feel extremely comfortable reaching out to anyone, especially those with a willing to help banner over their profile. And you can even message them through Bonner Connect.